Hello everybody. This is a special award from a very special company. I have to say thank you in behalf of all our team. We highly appreciate it. This is for all of us a sign of a great esteem. Charlie.
I'm Charlie Nusslein, one of the managing directors. I started at Toolkraft 25 years ago and I'm in the main responsibility in cooperation with Zeiss. And thanks a lot for this trust.
My name is Christoph Haug. I've been working for Toolkraft for 18 years. I'm the CTO and Foreign Minister. My job is to implement future-oriented technologies and to support our customers to make better products. Welcome to Toolkraft.
Welcome to the world of precision components. My name is Jonas Billmeier and I am the head of Complex Components. Our team manufactures complex components and assemblies, also for Zeiss, a demanding and highly interesting task.
When ideas turn into innovations, then you have come to the right place. I'm Stefan.
My name is Uwe and we are pioneers in additive manufacturing here at Toolkraft.
With metal 3D printing, we realized things that were hardly imaginable before. Here's a small insight into our field.
Zeiss is not only a customer, but also an important partner and supplier. I am Markus and I'm responsible for quality at Toolkraft. Our team supports the production of perfect parts. We check tactile, optical, CD and microscopy. We leave nothing to the coincidence. Thank you for the award.
My name is Thomas. I'm the head of the engineering and robotic team.
For developing new process or you have interesting technical challenges, you are at the right place. We do many innovative things here.
Thank you for the award.
Thank you for the award. Thank you for your visit. We see each other soon.